Welcome to the thrilling world of copywriting, where your way with words is the key to financial success. If you've ever been captivated by persuasive ads or compelling content, then it's time to harness your writing skills and embark on a journey to earn $10,000 per month as a newbie copywriter. This creative adventure doesn't require a fancy degree or years of experience. In this video, we'll explain the art of copywriting and guide you to earning a substantial income. Now is the time to show off your wordsmithing skills and turn them into a way to make money. Let's make your words count and your bank account flourish. Discovering the art of copywriting. Unlock the art of copywriting, a skill that wields the power of persuasion and connection. Craft words that compel, captivate, and drive action, regardless of your experience or degree. Whether you're shaping enticing headlines, persuasive sales letters, or engaging social media content, the demand for skilled copywriters spans industries and platforms. Your journey begins here, where dedication, practice, and a grasp of persuasive techniques lead the way to a lucrative income. Dive into the world of copywriting, where words hold the key to success, and stay tuned for the insider tips that will help you earn $10,000 per month with your writing. Developing your copywriting skills. Becoming a proficient copywriter is a continuous journey marked by growth and learning, akin to the way a seasoned artist hones their craft over time. To truly excel in this field, you must draw inspiration from industry legends such as David Ogilvy, Gary Halbert, and Eugene Schwartz. By studying their works, you'll gain profound insights into the art of persuasive writing. However, it doesn't stop at observation. It involves actively internalizing and applying the core principles of compelling copy, understanding the power of engaging storytelling, and mastering the art of influencing your audience. Regular practice is your workshop, where you chisel your skills, refine your technique, and unlock your creative potential. Constructive feedback serves as the guiding compass on your journey, helping you navigate towards excellence. Stay current with industry trends, for the landscape of copywriting evolves constantly. Your ability to adapt and embrace new strategies and technologies is pivotal to your success. Dedication and persistence fuel your progress, propelling you towards mastering persuasive copy and earning a substantial income. Remember, this is an ever-evolving process. As we venture deeper into the captivating world of copywriting, we'll unlock the secrets, share invaluable insights, and provide you with the tips needed not just to thrive, but to excel in your copywriting career. Prepare to harness the power of your words and achieve your goals in this dynamic and ever-rewarding field. Your journey has just begun, and the potential for greatness is boundless. Find high-paying copywriting opportunities. To excel as a copywriter, it's essential to seek and secure well-paying opportunities. Think of it as navigating a diverse landscape where you'll utilize online job platforms, hone your expertise in specific niches, expand your network, actively reach out to potential clients, and construct your brand. By actively embracing these approaches, you can enhance your potential for income growth. Persistence and adaptability are vital attributes to bring along on this journey. They form the foundation for your success, driving you to refine your skills and secure high-paying copywriting projects consistently. As we delve deeper into the vast realm of copywriting, more insights, tips, and strategies will be unveiled to assist you in optimizing your earning potential and discovering concealed opportunities within the persuasive writing domain. Your journey has just begun, and it holds a world of possibilities. A path to $10,000 a month in copywriting. Reaching a monthly income of $10,000 as a copywriter might appear daunting, but it's an achievable goal with the right approach. To get there, start by defining your niche and expertise. Specialize in a particular industry or field where you can position yourself as an expert and command higher rates. As you gain experience, continually refine your services and pricing, offering comprehensive packages and gradually increasing your rates to reflect your growing expertise. Social proof is crucial in this business. Collect testimonials and showcase successful case studies to build trust and attract high-quality clients. Expanding your client base is also essential. Use various marketing channels, network with professionals in your industry, and actively seek opportunities to pitch your services. Delegation can help you manage a growing workload, so consider outsourcing tasks that don't require your direct involvement. And never stop learning. The field of copywriting is always evolving, so invest in your professional development, stay updated on industry trends, and continuously improve your skills. Scaling your copywriting business to $10,000 per month is a gradual process that requires commitment, ongoing improvement, and a strategic mindset. With determination, you can turn your copywriting passion into a rewarding and lucrative career. While earning $10,000 per month as a novice copywriter may initially appear daunting, it is indeed an achievable aspiration with the right mindset, unwavering dedication, and a strategic approach. Copywriting holds vast potential for those willing to put in the effort, with opportunities to thrive by understanding the fundamentals, nurturing your skills, discovering lucrative avenues, and expanding your business. Continual learning, adaptability, and a commitment to delivering exceptional value to your clients are the cornerstones of success in this field. The journey to financial achievement as a copywriter may require time and perseverance. Still, by setting achievable milestones, staying current in the ever-evolving industry, and honing your craft, you can transform your aspirations into reality. Cheers to a flourishing copywriting career where your words possess the power to captivate, persuade, and lead to substantial income. What strategies do you find most compelling in your pursuit of high-paying copywriting opportunities? And how do you intend to leverage them? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.